My name's Steve Sargent. I'm from Cary, North Carolina. I own a Milex Complete Auto Care Mr. Transmission franchise, and I started my journey with Moran March 1st of this year. I think a couple things make us different is that we're a national brand, and we're in Cary is a lot of mom and pops, and they do a very fine job. But I think in a transient community like Cary, some people are looking for something that they're familiar with. And Mr. Transmission is a familiar franchise name, and I think it draws a certain clientele to us. When you come in the door, the difference is that we have speed of service, and I apply my past customer service experience into the automotive industry to make sure that you understand that we're going to be truthful with you and honest, and we're going to be timely about the repairs so that you get in and out and get things corrected the first time. You know, I think that there's a perception problem in automotive that people kind of expect to be hoodwinked, or they don't trust automotive. So I think the bar is fairly low, and people, when they come to our shop, what they can expect is they can expect us to get fine customer service and things that they don't expect, like transparency and working with them to manage the issues with their car, rather than just giving them a laundry list of things done in a huge price tag. That's not how we operate. We understand there's things that have to be done today, there's things that should be done maybe in the next few months, and there's things that you can do before the next state inspection.